Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something really special for you, the brand new 2025 Skoda Enyaq. After selling over 250,000 units since launch, Skoda has completely reimagined their best-selling electric SUV. And the changes? They're way more than skin deep. The first thing that grabs your attention is that striking new front end. Skoda calls it the tech deck face, and it transforms the entire character of the car. The glossy black panel sits beneath a distinctive LED light band, featuring these cool vertical light elements they call eyelashes. Combined with new LED matrix headlights, it gives the Enyaq a truly premium presence on the road. Moving around the car, you notice how clean and purposeful the design is. Skoda has replaced their traditional logo with elegant lettering on the hood, finished in this unique dark chrome. The whole package is so well executed that it makes some premium competitors look a bit try-hard. But here's where it gets really interesting. All these design tweaks aren't just for show. The new Enyaq slices through the air with a drag coefficient of 0.245. That's seriously slippery for a family SUV, and it helps deliver an impressive range of over 590 kilometers. Step inside, and you're greeted by what might be the most thoughtfully designed interior in this class. The new Lodge design theme uses innovative materials made from recycled fishing nets and old carpets. Or go for the Eco Suite with olive leaf tanned leather if you're feeling fancy. Power-wise, you've got options. The Enyaq 60 comes with a 150 kilowatt rear motor and 63 kilowatt-hour battery. Need more punch? The Enyaq 85 bumps that up to 210 kilowatts and an 82 kilowatt-hour battery. And for those wanting all-wheel drive capability, there's the Enyaq 85X with its dual motor setup. Charging is properly quick too. The larger battery versions support 175 kilowatt DC fast charging, meaning you can add about 300 kilometers of range in the time it takes to grab a coffee. We're talking 10 to 80% in just 28 minutes. Tech-wise, Skoda hasn't held back. The 13-inch center display handles infotainment duties, while a 5-inch digital cluster keeps vital info in view. The redesigned MyŠkoda app now gives you access to over 800,000 charging points across Europe and lets you control features like remote parking. Practicality? Classic Skoda. With 585 liters of cargo space expanding to 1,710 liters with the seats down, you won't be short on room. Plus, you get clever touches like the umbrella in the door and ice scraper in the tailgate. Standard equipment is generous too. Every Enyaq comes with heated front seats, 3-zone climate control, and advanced driver assistance systems like predictive cruise control and traffic jam assist. The LED matrix headlights are available across the range. Starting at 44,000 euros, the new Enyaq isn't cheap. But when you consider the technology, range, and premium feel, it starts looking like serious value, especially compared to some premium branded alternatives costing significantly more. So what's our take on the 2025 Skoda Enyaq? This isn't just an update, it's a serious statement of intent. Skoda has taken everything that made the original Enyaq popular and elevated it to new heights. The design is more sophisticated, the tech more advanced, and the whole package feels more premium than ever. Whether you're new to electric vehicles or looking to upgrade from an older EV, the new Enyaq deserves your attention. It proves that practical family transport can be stylish, sustainable, and seriously capable. That's it for our look at the 2025 Skoda Enyaq. Hit subscribe for more electric vehicle reviews and let us know in the comments what you think about Skoda's latest effort. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.